Today we're going to do orthographic drawings of objects. In this case, we're going to start off with object number 3. And to do this orthographically or in any drawing style, we need to know how large this object is. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 squares long. 9 times 0.25 is 2.25 inches long. It's 4 squares wide or 1 inch wide, and it's 6 squares tall or 1.5 inches tall. So now that we know 2.25, 1, and 1.5, we can get our general uh, way around this, our general sizes. Okay, so what I have done is I have a started a outline, a border for my orthographic drawing. This border is 1/2 inch on every side. So please start off by making a border like this. All right, now I'm going to draw this object number 3 orthographically. So I need to put a front view and a top view. They need to be lined up. Both left and right sides need to be lined up. Then to the right of the top view will be a right side view, and the top and bottom edges of that will be lined up. Okay, so we know the object is 2.25 inches wide. So I am going to draw a line down here. That's going to be the left edge of these sides. I'm going to leave enough room on this left side for dimensions, and I'm going to leave enough room up here for dimensions. So I'm going to start somewhere there, end somewhere over here. I'm not going to make this line too dark. I'm making it a little darker for you for this video. Okay, so 2.25 inches, is only going to be that big. And so it's going to be a rather small object. So I'm going to use a scale of 2 to 1. So 2.25 is going to become 4.5 inches. Now I don't have a T-square and triangles and so forth, so I'm going to try to keep this parallel though. I'm going to make this length 4.5 inches. Long. But now I'm going to continue that line over here lightly because this is going to become my right side view, and it has the same top edge, so I'm going to keep that line going. Okay, remember we said the height, if this is the front view, is going to be 1.5 inches. Since we're doing it twice as large, we're going to make this 3 inches tall. 3 to there, 3 to here. Whoops, I don't think I did 3 inches. Okay, that's going to be my bottom edge of my front view, but it's also going to be the bottom edge of my right side view. So again, I'm going to draw that line all the way over because it's going to be the bottom edge of my right side view. This is the left edge of my front and top views. So it's also going to be the, now we're going to make the right edge, which I think I drew earlier and didn't mark it clearly. So there's 4.5 inches. .5 inches. And again, here's our right edge of our front and top views. So again, don't make it too dark because you're going to be deleting some of it. Okay, this is the bottom edge of the front and right side views. Now we need the top edge of the top view. So again, I want to leave some space here. I want to make these lines parallel. So this space is going to be for dimensions. Now, if you recall, maybe I should make a bottom edge first. The width is 2 inches. I do not have to draw this line all the way across because this space is going to be used for my title block. There's no other drawings going to be here. So here is the bottom, my top view. I'm going to go up again. If the width of the top is 1 inch, and we're drawing this at a 2:1 scale, this will be 2 inches. Okay, so this will be the top or the back edge of the drawing from the top view. Again, I can draw that nice and dark. I don't need to draw over here because there's no object over there. I'm going to complete my top view here. Then I'm going to complete my right side view here. This is the right edge of my right side view. Again, I'm going to keep it parallel to that line there. I don't need to include it down here because there's no view here. Again, if the width is 1 inch, it'll be 2 inches. Whoops. If the width is 1 inch in the actual object, it'll be 2 inches here. So here's the left or the front face. And that can be a nice solid line. I'm going to complete this edge here. Okay, so I'm eventually going to erase the spaces in between because those are not part of the actual views. But for right now, I'm going to end it there, clean that up, and we'll start a new video in a moment.